Why would it seem rational for a person to try to eliminate or hide certain things about himself and try to become something different unless there was a significantly compelling reason? This is the question Dr. Robert Glover have been asking himself for years, and this is the answer he came up with after years. Because it does not feel safe or acceptable for a man to be who just who he is. What do Steve Jobs, Nikola Tesla, Michael Jordan, Jackie Chan all have in common? They were all told to stop doing what they're doing and do something else instead. They all did not change. They keep persisting. Steve Jobs was told by his parents that he's not good enough in technology and he should not pursue in technology. But now, he is the founder of Apple. Nikola Tesla, he was told it's not good enough and he should just do something else. But he didn't stop. He doesn't even give a fuck. He went on to make countless inventions we see today. Jackie Chan at 17, he told he was useless and he should give up. He got rejected multiple times because he had stupid English. But did he stop? No. We see countless of movies of him every day today. Michael Jordan, arguably one of the best NBA players of basketball ever. He got cut out from his high school team and was told that he's just dragging the whole team down. And he went on to cry at his locker. He locked himself up and cried. But did he stop there? Jose Hernandez, the first immigrant astronaut to go into space. He was told that he could not get to outer space because he's an immigrant. He applied to NASA and got rejected 12 times. For 12 years. But did he stop? No. Harrison Ford was told by his boss that he is useless and that he has no talent in this business or the acting industry. Despite this man has acted over 50 movies and is one of the most famous faces of Star Wars. I could go on and on showing examples, and I suppose you'd think, this is not the message of stop giving up. No. That's not the main message of mine, alright? What I'm trying to show to you, there is a time you should give up, and there's time that you should not. So what I'm trying to actually say is, it's about knowing what you want, having a core deep principle to become your authentic self. Even if the world says that you are wrong, you're stupid, you should do something else, you cannot ever succeed in this industry or whatever. But if you know, deep down, you genuinely know that you can, then stop changing yourself. And here's the real takeaway. The more people don't like you, the more percentage of people who opposes you, the more you will become successful. This here's the recipe for success. Be at the end of the bell curve where everyone thinks you are wrong, stupid, you're crazy. Once you prove them wrong, the whole world has no choice but to look up onto you. But it must be something you genuinely, deeply believe inside. And that's what it means to be a man anyway. If you're struggling to be your authentic self, watch this video. I'll show you a systematically proven way for you to overcome that. And until then, take care and be a rock.